Hi guys, I'm Ivona and we bought this car and have some fun with it because Meanie. But we always knew that this will become a project car and we will make heavy modifications on it. We even thought to put Honda engine on it, or something similar, but we decided that we will go full electric. So Tino will tell you more about it.
Hello everybody. So let's start with some basic specs. The car battery pack should have around 200 volts and peak power will be around 160 kilowatts. So we plan to use dual motors, so 4x4 drive, and motor technology will be brushed electric motors. So in the project we plan to stick to minimalism and simplicity, but we are also aware that this car should be comfortable enough for everyday use. Low total weight and low center of mass are highest priority. We divided the project into two stages, so let's see the first stage. We'll have one motor hooked up directly to gearbox. The gearbox stays because of simpler homologation process. The motor should have around 60 kilowatts in this stage. So now we can talk about the battery. We could have two modules in the floor, here and here, and maybe we could put some modules below the seat here. So the seat is here, we can do some modifications or lose the rear seat entirely, we will see. We can put some modules also in the place where the spare wheel was, and of course we can put some in the engine compartment bay. All modules should be as low as possible. So in the second stage, which is the most fun stage for us, we finally lose the gearbox. We really don't like the gearbox because gearboxes are heavy. Electric motors will be mounted directly to differentials. I am thinking about using BMW E30 Cabrio 4.45 ratio locking diffs. Of course, in this stage we will do a complete custom rear subframe build. Let's see some of the features the car will have. Adjustable regenerative braking front and back, adjustable power delivery front and back, water-cooled battery and motors, and of course mad audio system.
And now we hope you will enjoy the video we made, where you will see what we have done so far. Hi, my name is Ivona. I'm from Croatia and I bought this Meanie Morris. I took him for a test drive and it was perfect, at least for me. How do you feel? Like shit.